enemy vessel has made station fall and rebel boarders are abandoning their ship. They are wounded and confused, but they are inside the Death Star. They will attempt both sabotage and escape. Intercept their forces at the tractor beam's generator and control station. Do not allow those areas to be taken.
Autogun ready and set. Deploying grenade! For Empire and Emperor!
They're at the tractor generator! Power level's falling!
To victory! Follow me! Autogun ready.
Rebels at the generator. It's powering down. No rebel escape! Enemy keep powering the generator. Relax! I've been here a while.
The rebels have depowered the generator. Meet them at tractor control. Rebel commander on the ground.
Losing tractor control. Rebels neutralizing tractor control.
Grenade up! To victory! Vanguard is down!
The Emperor is now personally overseeing the battle.
We are too late to stop them. They're heading for the weapons control sector. Regroup there. Stand guard over the main weapon and the turbo laser hub. Leave no survivors.
I've been here a while.
Deploying turret.
Some hotshot is deploying to assist. Don't know who.
Bombs ready. To victory! Follow me!
invader.
Submit to me!
Get clear now.
Forward, go, go! Unfocused power!
Grenade up!
Lando Calrissian has been sighted.
Make room! You are the elite! Seize victory! Fortifying position. Get clear!
They've run out of time. Sector secure and all is